In this video, we will discuss an overview of Civil 3D points. If you would like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0301 pointsoverview.dwg located in the training folder discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D points can be used to develop surfaces, alignments, coordinate geometry, and other types of design data in Civil 3D. Each point is uniquely numbered and has properties such as northing, easting, elevation, and a raw description. In addition to these properties, a point, as with all Civil 3D objects, must have a point style and label style associated to it that control the point's layer, appearance, and annotation. Points can be, of course, imported or created in Civil 3D. As mentioned, a Civil 3D point contains a label and a symbol. Let's go ahead and zoom into our points in this file. And we notice that as you hover over a point, you will also get a nice little tooltip that tells you what that point is, the point number, and the description, and so on. Notice how the point object itself contains the symbol and the label as well. You can control this with the style. If we go to the Settings tab, Point Category, there are many different settings and styles that tell a point how it should display in Civil 3D. For instance, if we look at this style here for this coniferous tree, I'll expand the Point Styles category. In the Point category, I'll select the Point Styles subcategory and navigate to Tree Coniferous to see the settings in this style that tell AutoCAD Civil 3D how it should display a point that uses this style. I'll double-click it, and as you can see, the Marker tab tells AutoCAD Civil 3D how it should display that point, so you can select a block or a custom AutoCAD marker. You can tell AutoCAD how you want that 3D geometry to be displayed. And then the Display tab tells the marker and the label how it should be displayed in the different view directions such as Plan, Model, Profile, and Section. In addition to the point style, there are many settings that control how points should be created as well as imported. If you right-click on the point category, there's an Edit Feature Settings option, as with all feature settings, and you will notice that as we expand all here, there are many unique settings to the points as you create them, the default names, etc. In addition to the feature settings, each of the commands available for creating points will also have its own unique command settings. So if we look here, we can expand this and notice the default layer for points that are created, as well as in the points creation dialog box, these are the default settings that you can define in here. This concludes this overview of Civil 3D points.